Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now. Hey, I'm Rob Testa. Welcome to 5750 Lake Hill Drive, a newer sprawling ranch home in the prestigious waterfront community of Lakeshore Landing on gorgeous Seneca Lake. Do me a favor and imagine yourself living here. Welcome family and friends to the ultimate lake lifestyle. From the moment you step inside, you're greeted by a grand foyer and soaring cathedral ceilings that create an unforgettable first impression. The stunning great room flows effortlessly into the designer cherry kitchen featuring soft close cabinetry, gleaming quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a spacious breakfast bar perfect for gathering and entertaining. The open concept dining and living areas are anchored by a cozy gas fireplace and enhanced by beautiful engineered hardwood flooring throughout. A dramatic palladium window floods the space with natural light, while patio access invites you outdoors to relax and entertain and enjoy the beauty of nature. Enjoy the ease and convenience of luxurious one-floor living with 3 spacious bedrooms, each featuring those beautiful engineered hardwood floors and its own private ensuite bath. The stunning primary suite is a true retreat, highlighted by soaring cathedral ceilings, an elegant palladium window that fills the space with natural light, an expansive walk-in closet, and a spa-inspired bathroom designed for relaxation. After a day on the lake, unwind in your private sanctuary. Plus, you'll appreciate the convenience of a stylish powder room for guests, a dedicated laundry room, and a versatile bonus room, perfect for an office or additional guest accommodations. Begin each day on the expansive front porch, where peaceful lake views set the tone for relaxed waterfront living. Out back, the entertainment-sized patio overlooks the sprawling double lot that backs directly to parkland, creating a private, picturesque setting that is increasingly hard to find. Storage is never a concern, with both an attached 2-car garage featuring a dedicated storage area and an additional detached 2-car garage, providing plenty of room for vehicles, golf carts, watercrafts, recreational equipment, and all the toys that come along with lake living. Lakeshore Landing is a prestigious waterfront community offering an exceptional Finger Lakes lifestyle. Residents enjoy private access to Sampson State Park, along with exclusive community amenities including a private stone beach with a picnic area and a private boat launch. Whether you're spending the day on the water, enjoying a lakeside picnic, or exploring the natural beauty of the shoreline, this community is designed for making the most of every moment on the lake. Could you imagine living here and enjoying the lake lifestyle? Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 5750 Lake Hill Drive in the prestigious Lakeshore Landing waterfront community. Cheers to living here!